I don't know, guys. What do you think? If you paid somebody to clear your property, would you want them to just leave a big ridiculous pile in the middle of the property? Basically, the way you do this is you just keep on bringing tops into the wet spot you're trying to work out of. And drive the machine on it. Are we gonna lose the skidder? Are we gonna lose the skidder? Hope not. It would suck. Good enough for me. That's how you do it. It's just stuck down there still. So it's been a while since we posted anything. We've just been, man, I tell you, real busy, and don't want to make excuses why we haven't been on here, but I'm making a video this weekend to bring you guys up to speed, what we've been up to. We just made it through the firewood season. And we're out here getting some logs for next year already. First project of the spring, this clear cut that we're going in after an excavator to clean up. Which, damn. Well, I mean, excuse my French, but this guy left a disaster. I wouldn't be all right with, if I paid somebody $12,000 to clear a bunch of trees out of my property. I wouldn't be happy with just all these ridiculous piles in the middle of the property. Yeah, so this is an ocean. We're gonna get all the firewood out of it. Right now we're building a bridge. It's gonna be a good bridge. Best bridge we've ever made. So for my next trick, we're gonna go over this longest tree over here, cut it, and pull it all the way across this hole. It's gonna be something. Stay tuned.